So good evening, guys. I'm about to make me some curry chicken back today. Chicken back over there, so I soak and lemon and juice and vinegar. But I'm gonna make a dumpling first. I'm gonna make a dumpling first before I touch the chicken back. And I put up a little bit of flour, just so I don't have much. And a little bit of flour. So I'm gonna add some cornmeal in there because I don't have enough flour. Little bit of flour, make some dumpling. I'm gonna add a little cornmeal to it. I like flour dumpling. I like my dumpling like a cornmeal in there. Alright. Mix this up. I make my butter here, so. I put a piece of butter in my flour. Make my dumpling. And a little salt. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna wash my hand already, so I'm gonna stir up my flour. I'm gonna mix up the mash up the butter in there. Cause I like my dumpling tough. I like my dumpling moist. So I'm gonna put like a butter in it. Much want the butter in it. I'm gonna make my dumpling. Need more water. I'm not putting more water yet, you know. I'm gonna see how far this is getting to. Add the butter in there. Now so I get the little moistness from the butter. I like my dumpling tough. I like tough dumpling. If you put the butter in the flour, and make the dumpling come out nice and soft, you know. So I don't need them more water. I'm good. I'm good. I need them more water. I'm alright. I'm good. Okay. Some people make dumpling and like a rock stone, like you can bust your head with it. You know what? I like a dumpling there. At your jawbone when you eat it. I like my dumpling nice and soft. Okay, so now we're done with this. Now I'm gonna deal with the chicken. Because we want to do this first. Before I touch the chicken. So I'm gonna need a water there that can go on. So now I'm gonna clean up my chicken. So I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move all them things over there so for now. Because I need a cutting board. For cleaning the chicken. I'll leave them at this for now. I'm a piece of yam, I'm a piece of breadfruit. See, become breadfruit. And I have the banana. But me good. So now this I have some chicken back here, so. So I'm gonna clean out the chicken back them. Take out all of them blood clots, you know the blood clot. Take out the blood clot them, all them blood clot things out of it. Clean it out. Cut off all them fatty things there. Take off all the extra fat there. Clean off all them things there. You know. At Jamaica we call this chicken batty. But on a chicken batty, you know. And the tail. The chicken tail, we call it chicken batty. So I cut off all them little strip things off of it. Clean it up good. I'm going to do just one piece for demonstrate. And then I'm going to cut the rest off camera. So now, I'm going to, some of them big. Some of them very, really, really big. Like, you see that piece here? You saw the piece that big? So, some of them if I cut them. So, I'll see you in the next clip. So, I'm going to show you something right now. I'm show you something right now. When I grow up, and my grandma make chicken back. It's all of them fat. When she take off her chicken back, them fat never go in that garbage, you know. She wash out them fat there, and she put them in the pot, and she fry them and make oil, and she use same chicken oil and cook the chicken. Now I use no other oil. She fry out them chicken thing there, and make them come to oil, and she use the same oil and fry her chicken. That's why them back in the days, them food taste different. Yeah, so we're gonna clean up our chicken back, that's all. So now we're gonna put some seasoning on it. We're gonna put some of this little all-purpose seasoning on it. Put all-purpose season, some Maggi all-purpose season. Okay. And we have some Jamaican choice chicken seasoning. I put the that on it. I know we add that salt again. Little garlic powder. I need my fresh garlic. I never get the garlic. I forget my garlic. I forget my garlic. Oh boy, I'm forget my garlic. We have some turmeric. I'm put like a turmeric on it because the curry not 100. So I'm gonna put some turmeric on it. And my curry powder. Spoon of curry powder. And I'm gonna put, we have some time I'm gonna put for dry. I'm gonna just put some of the leaf, the leaf in it for now. I'll sprinkle a little leaf in there. Okay. And I forgot my garlic, so if I get my garlic, I'm gonna just get my garlic. I'm gonna forget the garlic. Oh, no, I forget the garlic. I'm the one garlic lover. The one garlic lover, I'm forget my garlic. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, the guys. Because get my garlic, so a couple pieces of my garlic there. I have to have my garlic. What me look at smash up I gotta get my garlic, you know. Can't go without garlic. Yeah, I'm garlic cover big. Okay. Okay. So when I smash them, the water layer just come right off. Smash them, it just come right off. Let's work. Just come right off. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. I'm gonna use this, I make tea, you know. So you see me peel my onion. I'm an onion peel over here, so I'm gonna throw my garlic peel in there. And I'm gonna make tea with that. So I'm gonna wash my garlic now. I'll wash out my garlic. I'll put a couple pieces in there. Okay. Put that over there, so. I'm done with this one, I need some more. So now, wipe off that, so. Okay. Now I'm pan over there, so. Cut up a couple garlic in there. Can't cook without garlic. Mommy even make garlic tea. I love garlic. Okay. So we're gonna do this for now. And we're gonna I'll cut up some onion. Move them over this for now. I'll cut a block of onion in there. Cut some onion up. That's for now. Put some onion in there. Chop a block of onion. I'll leave the next half for later. When the pot simmer down, I'll throw the rest of all them things in there. So this is for the first half. Okay. So now, oh boy, man, I got stain up. And I got stain up, I mean, now make it stain. Now make it stain. I'm gonna light my fire, make the pot go hot. I said we can't get that going from my hand. My hand kind of. And I wait. Let's see if we can get it down. Put it down a bit. The best way I can. Because I don't want to curry stain me. And the turmeric, because the turmeric will stain your hand. Because when I use the fresh turmeric and I grate it, it stains my hand for like a whole week. So I'm not play with them something anymore. Because I always get the fresh turmeric and it always stain my fingernail and stain my fingernail. Alright, so I'm going to rub up this. I like to marinate my food before, like from the day before. But I undecided if I'm going to cook or not. So the last minute I decided to say I cook. You know? I'm going to rub this in there. I'm not going to make it dust. I'm not going to make it marinate because I don't have time for that right now. Rub up and season it nice. Get a little taste. Tastes alright. Okay. So now, I'm going to do granny style. I'm going to do my grandmother style. My grandmother used to, after she done clean up my chicken, right? And cut off all the fat and the batty, like everybody call it, the batty. But I will the tail. So I'm gonna put them in the pot. And that's why I eat it one day now. Every time I cook my food, can't taste like my grandmother's food. This is what she used to do. Fry up all them thing there. That's what she used to do. She used to take all the fat off for the chicken and fry it up. And then she used to use the same fat and cook the food. So that's why I get, every time I cook my food, I taste like I'm going to eat. And then I realize that, she should take off the fat off for the chicken. And she never throw it away. She used to use the same fat. I'll fry it out and make oil. And then me and my cousin them, when time she done fry it all time, it become like real dry and crispy. The whole of it is fried feet, you know. A little picnic, the whole of the fried feet. Everybody wants it. Everybody is to fight for that. When me and my two little cousin them, we had to fight for the party. Everybody used to want to fight that's crispy. Because they make it really, really crispy. And then everybody has fight feet. Nowadays, I'm picking nowadays. Then get, ew, why are you doing that? Ew. And that's why granny food is tastes good. Yep. Go to the German, the Irish them. Them do the same thing too. Fry out all this. Them never, back in them days there, them couldn't waste nothing. Them never ask them can't waste nothing, everything them get to use. So now we're done fry out with chicken fat. See? The oil in the pot. You gotta take them out. Yeah, and that's what my grandmother used to do. This is old school. Everybody want to talk about old school. This is old school. That's what my grandmother used to do. Fry out all the chicken fat them. She never used no separate aisle. That was her aisle. You know, back in them days, I think it's hard, right? I couldn't afford that. So now, we're going to put in my chicken in there now. Right? We're going to put in my chicken. We're going to do the best we can. So we're going to put in my chicken. In our chicken pot and curry chicken box. Curry chicken box. That's what we're talking about. Uh-huh. Well, try look at that in there when I put all that in there. Just a little bit. I keep that for the second round. So now we're gonna cover that. Yeah, cover that. And now I cut up the rest of the seasoning so for the second round. Right? Because you give my cook a little bit. And I'm gonna put in the rest of the seasoning in there. Try it in a pan over there, so. Cut it in there. My counter clean. I clean my counter so now when I want you on the mouth. And I cut them too small. Okay. Look at carrots. With scratchy. And I don't put too much in there. Because I don't want the people to cry. Say it too spicy. Some more garlic. Okay. Come off. So, a couple pieces more garlic. For the second round. So we're gonna throw in everything, you know. Alright. Put that over there, so. Some bell pepper. Oh, eh. Garlic and onion about my eye. Okay. Couple piece of scallion. I think I cut my finger, you know. I'm not sure. I hope not. Never feel a cut there. I guess not. No, the bell pepper. Okay. And a little bit of ginger. Now, I'm going to go to the ginger. I'm not going to put that in there. I'm going to the ginger. But me now cut my potato too small. The potato here, them not boil, them not cook hot, them not cook soft, them not mash out. So I can't cut them small. Cause them not mash out. Them keep them firm. Guys, if you know your potato, you have some potato where cook quick, and you have some but keep the firmness. So if you know which one you buy, you know, keep the firmness. Alright. Done with this. Okay. So this is our pan. So, this is our seasoning, this is our chicken. Drop them in here. Let me clean up right away. We're not cooking now. Oh God, we're saying, don't cook. You know, I'm going back and thing to clean up. Alright, so let me get my thing for my tea over there, so. And a piece of yam, a piece of breadfruit. Alright, we're gonna get my breadfruit, my ginger. I got I go to the ginger, right? Oh, I'm going to the oh, over there. So I'm just going to a little piece of ginger, not too much. You know? I go to a little ginger in there. When I want to hold it in there, just a little bit. That's it. When I want more than that. That's it. For good. That's it. Okay. Alright. So our chicken back over there, so I'm going with the thing and thing. So I'm going to let that patch right so now make it one boil up. And I'm going to deal with the food. I'm going to deal with the food. Let's see what this is going with. So wrap this. You know, it's going to spoon it with water, right? Let's stir up that. Make a spoon it with water and do it thing. Okay. When I go up in there, everybody go up in one, you know. Auntie, uncle, cousin, everybody, my tables. Just some goodness, you know. And this. Cockroach. No cockroach. See me chicken, me curry chicken back. Yeah, so. See, spring it one water, I'm gonna put no water in there. No water at all, I'm gonna put in there. So now, I'm gonna throw in rest, I'm gonna thing them now. I'm gonna throw in the rest of my seasoning now. I make it cook down, make everything cook up together. Get like hot water. And I gotta like I got hot water in my pipe. In my faucet, I should say, my faucet. The hot water in my faucet. So I look at water in there, rinse out that. Go. Make all them things incorporate. Curry chicken back. Cover it down back. Make it do it thing. Make it do it thing and thing. Alright. And we will get back to you in the next clip. So I'm going to put it, what is that, boil up. I'm going to put it with dumpling. I'm going to make the dumpling. I'm going to put the dumpling in a pot. I now make them pretty. I now make them pretty dumpling. Just make them. So now I'm going to peel my yam. I'm going to peel my yam. What is so? I peel me yam. Soft yam, yes, so I can't make it cook too much. I think I yam I rent I think I rent a yam this. And this cook fast. So I'm gonna put it in the breadfruit first. I'm gonna just peel it. I peel it. So now I cut the breadfruit now. Now I cut my breadfruit. I have a breadfruit in the freezer. Because I didn't want to say half a breadfruit, I want to say whole breadfruit. I mean I need that whole breadfruit cook all at once. So I'm going to use half and put the next half in the freezer. So now I'm going to use the next half. I'm going to wash up my yam because I don't want my yam get discolored. Okay. We're going to the breadfruit that's all. So dumpling already in a pot. Now I'm going to put in my breadfruit. Put my breadfruit in a pot. And I slice me yam. I'm going to slice me yam. But now say them too small. Because you know rent a yam cook fast. So you can't slice them too small. There you go. I'm going to put in my yam. Whatever, I got yam before. Because I'm cook quick. Okay. Cover that. So we're done with that. That's all. Put on my peel in the bag here. Throw them out. Yeah, try to clean up while I cook. Because you know I'm not heavy cleaning after I'm done cook. Too hot. I'm going to put some bleach to that thing here. I'm going to put some bleach in it to clean the sauce, to clean the curry outside. I'm going to throw some bleach in it to clean the sauce. Wash up my sink. Well, when I'm done cook, I have to wait for every cleaning. I have to clean at the bowl here. I'm going to throw some bleach in it. Put some bleach water to get out the curry outside. So this is my chicken here. I curry chicken back. So chicken back done. What I'm talking about. Curry chicken back done. See gravy? Look at that. Nice thick gravy. So I'm gonna have a stove, a fire underneath this. And I'll wait for my food to cook. And I'll get back to you. Video. Yes, some yam done cook. And my breadfruit done cook. Yep. And food them done cook. I'm gonna look at my fire now. Everything done cook. And I'm gonna make a plate soon. Okay. So we're gonna make you a plate. want a little piece. Now I go to the meat pot. I get some more good old chicken back. Look for a gravy, nice and thick. Boy, look on that. Curry chicken back we say over here, so. I make a mess on the plate, you know. I'll clean it up. Cause that's that presentable. I'll put some potato. Little look of potato. I'll clean my plate messy. My plate messy, I'll clean my plate. My plate messy. So this is from me to you. Curry chicken back with breadfruit and yam and banana. Guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.